Now we are going to discuss about the digestive system of these herbivorous animals. So the digestive system of these herbivorous animals started from mouth itself. So whatever the grass or plant parts they are eating, first they are eating that plant parts or grass, and through esophagus they passes that plant parts into their rumen, and this rumen is the part of their stomach. So their stomach have four chambers. First one rumen, after that reticulum, omasum, abomasum. So these are the four chambers of the stomach of these herbivorous animals. So first of all, what will happen means, through this esophagus the plant parts, the swallowed or half chewed plant parts enter inside the rumen, and inside the rumen millions of microorganisms are there to digest these food particles, as well as rumen will also secrete saliva, and this saliva mix with food to make it soften, Now what will happen means, again this herbivorous animal bring back their food into the mouth. Now this food particle is known as what? Cud. And now they are chewing the cud, and this process is known as rumination. Means the rechewing of cud is known as what? Rumination. And the organisms or the animals are known as ruminants. So after rechewing this cud, again this cud enters inside the rumen through this food pipe, through this esophagus. After that they enter into the reticulum. There also digestion may takes place. After that food enters into the third chamber, that is omasum. There also digestion takes place. And in last fourth chamber, that is abomasum, and inside abomasum digestion of protein takes place, because abomasum secrete HCl and protein digestive enzymes. So inside abomasum digestion of protein takes place, and after that food reaches into the small intestine and large intestine. So large intestine have cecum. So here also few amount of digestion of food takes place. So in this way, digestion of plants, digestion of food, means plant product, takes place inside this ruminants animal, inside these herbivorous animals. So it is very interesting to study about the digestive system of these ruminants. It is vast difference between the digestive system of human beings. So my dear student, the questions related to this topic is, what is herbivorous animal? If herbivorous animals are eating the plant and grass, so how the digestion of plant and grass takes place? Is there any specialized digestive system is there in this herbivorous animal? Explain about all the four chamber of stomach of these ruminants. Next question is, what is rumination? What is cud? And how much time are being taken to pass out the whole food from the digestive system of these ruminants? So these are the few important questions, my dear student, and you have to solve it as it your assignment. And if you are facing any problem, then you may sure discuss in the next class. So now I am concluding my video lecture, and my heartiest appeal to everyone, every students, that my dear, you strictly follow this COVID protocol right now, because the situation is so much critical. Means you have to wear the mask, frequently sanitize your things, sanitize your hand, regularly wash your hand. Don't step your feet outside from the home. Eat the food which is being cooked at your home only by your mama. So these are the some COVID appropriate behavior that you have to follow. And along with that, you study smoothly, you study nicely and achieve the good marks. By saying this, I am concluding my lecture. Thank you everyone for your cooperation. Bye bye. Take care everyone.